Welcome to the GIXXER Endurance Experience. This is a lifetime opportunity for all the GIXXER riders to experience their GIXXER motorcycle on the racetrack and to get valuable insight about biking from industry experts and complete endurance experience to showcase their riding skills. In the world of endurance, Suzuki Motorcycle India embarked on a mission to push the limits of endurance and engineering. Over the course of 24 relentless hours, professional riders pushed the GIXXER SF-150 and SF-250 set national records, proving their power, precision, stability, and unstoppable durability. Now, the same stock motorcycles that conquered the Natrax track are being put to the test by everyday riders at the GIXXER Endurance Experience. Here, riders don't just ride, they evolve through education, gain exposure, and acquire invaluable experience. A first-of-its-kind initiative for young riders, with Suzuki guiding, mentoring, and celebrating those who dared to go beyond.
Today we learn on the class on how to take apexes, how to have your body positioning, how to have confidence on the track.
I'm an amateur. I'm a guy from outside, so I want to know how it's like to actually learn and ride hard on tracks.
It's going to be a fun day, so I'm looking forward to practice under professionals and learn from them in a controlled environment. That would be great.
Yeah, it's very cool vibe in Suzuki. This is the second event I'm attending from Suzuki's end, and this is like extremely cool stuff. I'm sending photos constantly to my mom saying this is how it is, this is how it is. So yeah, excited about the track day.
This is my first time experiencing a race suit. So it's damn heavy, but at the same time it's exciting to go on the track, ride with it, and experience a Suzuki.
I just came here geared up. The trainers were great. They gave me good knowledge on the bikes. So I can't wait to check that out.
Asha here. So we have Prakash.
With expert mentorship, real-time challenges, and cutting-edge training, Suzuki brought a fresh, adrenaline-packed experience to the racing scene.
I'm just out from the track and my hands are literally shivering, my voice is shivering. It was a great experience. I could learn how the bike reacts to sharp turns and sharp corners, accelerating and decelerating. That was the first time I got to ride a 250 full power on a track, and I never experienced something like this. There's so much grip, there's so much speed, and there's so many people around watching you. It feels great. First time I tried out track riding, oh my god, it's like all another level of new adrenaline peaks. Crazy stuff, crazy stuff. I got selected.
I am selected. I just got selected for the Endurance Team Championship after having one practice session.
What is endurance? The form of racing tests the durability of motorcycles and the stamina of riders over extended periods. Selected riders from the exposure session were on the track to exhibit their skill and talent. Step into the world of endurance with the Suzuki GIXXER Endurance Experience. From first lap to final flag, it is a journey of spirit and steel. This isn't just about winning, it is about enduring.
Everyone's ready to get the results? Yes? Yes? Okay.
Today I had a wonderful day, like coming into the track, seeing what's going on, having a session with trainers. When I see towards everything, it was a wonderful day. When Suzuki have given us a good opportunity where we could see our own talents into the track by wearing these suits. All over, it was a fabulous day.
I came here as an inexperienced driver, but now I am feeling confident, like I can go to the racetrack and I have confidence now.
No words to describe it. Never expected anything to happen, and we won. That's the
End
best.
of the day, that's the best part. It was my first time on the track, so everything was challenging. I overcome everything and I won this first prize.
Because at Suzuki, we don't just build motorcycles, we cultivate journeys that are truly fun to ride. GIXXER Endurance Experience is about getting expert training, track exposure, endurance experience. It's also about get together with GIXXER community members to celebrate the Motorcycle Fest. It's where passion meets performance and the memories ride on.